Maxine, she is filing her teeth right now. Keep going. She know I'm recording. Y'all, so the reason squirrels do this is because their teeth will constantly grow throughout their entire lifespan. And if they do not file down their teeth will grow into their skull. Eventually, laying them out permanently. Or they will grow outside of their mouth and preventing them to be able to eat and also defend themselves properly. So if you just go outside and you hear a gawing sound, like what Maxine doing right, maybe not exactly how I'm trying to do it, but